Neuralink begins human trials. Elon Musk's Neuralink has just made a significant announcement, shedding light on the details of their first-ever human trial for a groundbreaking brain implant device. They have also revealed the identities of the pioneering individuals who will be at the forefront of this innovative journey. In a recent announcement, Neuralink confirmed that they actively seek the first human test subjects for their N1 brain-computer interface device and the R1 surgical robot procedure. The company has received full approval from an independent institutional review board to kickstart selecting their inaugural human patients for what they've named the PRIME study, short for Precise Robotically Implanted Brain-Computer Interface. But what does PRIME study entail, and what are the implications of this meaningful endeavor? This marks the beginning of an extraordinary medical device trial by Neuralink. They're testing their groundbreaking wireless brain-computer interface, which they'll implant in the human brain. But here's the catch. It will be a long journey. The first human trial is expected to take about 6 years. Patients will closely monitor their progress during the primary study period, which lasts 18 months after implantation. They'll check in with the medical team every 2 months to ensure everything works as it should. Additionally, patients will engage in 1-hour brain-computer interface research sessions at least twice a week throughout this 18-month phase. But that's not all. There's a long-term follow-up phase too. This phase kicks in immediately after the primary study and spans 5 years, with 4 clinical visits each year. This PRIME study ensures the implant, M1, and the surgical robot, R1, are safe. Then they'll check how well Neuralink's technology helps people with full-body paralysis control external devices by thinking. Exciting, isn't it? One of the most riveting aspects of this study is the introduction of the Neuralink R1 robot into human surgery. Imagine the R1 as a high-tech sewing machine that delicately inserts the N1 implant's ultra-fine flexible threads into the brain's motor cortex. This part controls our movement, but let's dive deeper into what happens during this procedure. Each participant in the study, which is expected to involve around 10 people, perhaps even fewer, will undergo a remarkable journey. It begins with a skilled human surgeon carefully removing a small piece of skin from their skull. Then, with the precision of an artist, the surgeon cuts out a circular section of the skull just big enough to accommodate the Neuralink device. A soft tissue layer, the dura, separates the brain from the skull. In the past, early versions of the procedure couldn't penetrate this layer, so removal was necessary. However, Neuralink is constantly evolving, with plans to make updates that allow the dura to stay put. This means the threads from the Neuralink device can soon penetrate this protective layer. Neuralink doesn't rely solely on the surgeon's expertise. They employ a sophisticated targeting computer to precisely insert 64 electrode threads just a few millimeters into the brain's outer layer. The precision here is crucial. It ensures no blood vessels within the brain tissue are ruptured. After carefully placing the tiny threads, the N1 device goes inside the skull. Surgeons then stitch the skin back, making it hard to see the implant. But here's the exciting part. This implant can connect wirelessly. It can send and receive brain signals through Bluetooth to Neuralink's unique smartphone app. This app can read what your brain wants to do and turn into computer actions. The big goal of the PRIME study is to let people control a computer using just their thoughts. Think about how that could change things. Elon Musk tweeted on his social media platform, now known as X, that Neuralink is on the cusp of a historic moment. The first human patient is poised to receive a Neuralink device, and the implications are astonishing. This innovative device can potentially restore full-body movement, a monumental leap forward in medical science and human augmentation. Elon Musk believes Neuralink can do more than just restore mobility. He aims to create a bridge between the human brain and artificial general intelligence, effectively eliminating any delays in communication between humans and computers. This futuristic vision could be the cornerstone of a world where super-intelligent machines process vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye. Musk firmly believes that Neuralink could be instrumental in mitigating the risks associated with AI. It has the potential to vastly improve communication between humans and artificial intelligence, taking it to a level we can only dream of today. Elon even cited the late physicist Stephen Hawking, who faced significant communication limitations, as an example of someone who could have significantly benefited from this technology. But the intrigue doesn't end there. Elon Musk hinted at integrating Neuralink with Tesla's humanoid robot technology. This collaboration could revolutionize the interaction between humans and machines, reminiscent of Luke Skywalker's iconic robotic hand in Star Wars. The synergy between these two cutting-edge technologies promises a future where human-machine partnerships are taken to unprecedented levels. Neuralink technology holds the promise of bridging the gap between humans and machines, allowing individuals to transcend the limitations of the human condition and the vulnerabilities of the biological body. In their recent announcement, Neuralink expressed their specific interest in recruiting trial subjects afflicted with quadriplegia resulting from cervical spinal cord injuries or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. These conditions often leave individuals with limited or no control over their body movements from the neck down. Individuals with these conditions typically rely on specialized hardware like head tracking cameras or eye tracking systems to operate electronic devices like computers. However, these solutions could be better and prohibitively expensive, making them inaccessible to many. Neuralink aims to offer a comprehensive solution to this significant problem. While it cannot cure spinal cord injuries or reverse the degenerative effects of ALS, Neuralink's technology has the potential to greatly enhance the quality of life for affected individuals by improving their ability to communicate with the outside world. The promising result of Neuralink's trials with macaque monkeys, where the monkeys could play Pong using Neuralink technology, demonstrate that humans could fully control electronic devices through this technology. This marks just the beginning of the possibilities that Neuralink envisions. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Neuralink, has even speculated that this technology could one day reverse the degenerative effects of brain diseases like ALS, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, or Alzheimer's. However, it's essential to acknowledge that these claims are highly speculative, and our understanding of the causes and potential cures for these complex diseases remain limited. If Neuralink succeeds in its first clinical trial, it may embark on groundbreaking research into addressing the underlying causes of these neurological conditions. Despite these ambitious uncertainties, Neuralink's pursuit of advancing human-machine interaction offers hope for those affected by debilitating conditions. There's an exciting opportunity for those intrigued by the possibilities of Neuralink. Neuralink actively seeks trial subjects suffering from conditions such as quadriplegia or ALS. People residing in the United States and aged 18 or older with disabilities like quadriplegia, paraplegia, vision loss, hearing loss, the inability to speak, or major limb amputations can participate in this groundbreaking journey. Neuralink has established a patient registry to better understand this community's diverse needs. Your participation could be a significant step towards shaping the future of human-machine interaction. Thank you for joining us to explore Neuralink's promise and potential. Share your thoughts on this groundbreaking technology in the comments section. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like these. As always, your curiosity and support drive the pursuit of a brighter and more connected future.